Okay, Jason, sit.
Wow, that was impressive.
And speak. Good boy, Jason. Good boy. Now shake.
Wow, that sure is one amazing dog, Pinkfong.
He sure is, Mr. Clown. Ooh, and I just thought of another great trick you can do. You ready, Jason? And fetch. Go get it, boy.
That sure is strange.
Hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
Oh, it's me, Sticky. You know, the stick.
The stick?
That's right. I'm the stick that was relaxing on the ground, just minding my own business, until you picked me up and threw me.
Oh, that stick. It's the stick that was relaxing on the ground, minding its own business, until I picked it up and threw it.
Oh, boy!
Yup. Now, I love to travel as much as the next stick, but I had a big day plan of just laying in the dirt and watching my favorite dance show.
Oh, favorite dance show? What show is that?
It's the one called Pinkfong, Mr. Clown, Jason, and Sticky Love to Dance.
Oh, we know that one.